If you're an aspiring author with dreams of seeing your book on the shelves of major bookstores or listed as a bestseller, you need to master the art of crafting a compelling book proposal. A book proposal is a document that serves as your pitch to publishers and literary agents. It's the key to getting a book deal, particularly in the non-fiction market, but fiction writers can also benefit from understanding its structure. This video will walk you through every component of a book proposal, offering practical tips and insights to make your proposal stand out. What is a book proposal? A book proposal is essentially a business plan for your book. Unlike a manuscript, which contains the full content of your book, a proposal is a persuasive document designed to convince publishers that your book idea is marketable and worth their investment. It outlines the book's content, its target audience, market potential, and why you are the best person to write it. Publishers use book proposals to assess the viability of a book in terms of audience, competition, and profitability. A well-written proposal can make the difference between landing a deal and being passed over. Why is a book proposal important? 1. Secures a literary agent or publisher. Many publishers won't even consider a book idea without a solid proposal. 2. Clarifies your vision. Writing a proposal forces you to articulate your book's purpose, audience, and structure. 3. Provides a roadmap. It helps you organize your thoughts and plan your book's content. 4. Demonstrates market viability. Publishers want to know if there's a market for your book, and the proposal is your chance to prove that. Key components of a book proposal. A successful book proposal typically includes the following sections. 1. Title page. Your title page should include the book's title and subtitle, your name and contact information, your literary agent's contact details, if applicable. A strong, attention-grabbing title and subtitle are crucial. Spend time brainstorming a title that conveys the book's content and appeals to your target audience. 2. Overview. The overview is your elevator pitch. It's the first thing a publisher or agent will read, so it needs to be concise, engaging, and informative. Include a brief description of the book's premise, why the book matters now, what sets your book apart from others in the market, the book's potential audience, and how it will benefit them. Example: in The Art of Resilience, best-selling author Jane Doe explores the science and strategies behind mental toughness, offering readers practical tools to overcome life's challenges. With expert interviews, real-life stories, and actionable advice, this book is a guide for anyone looking to thrive in adversity. 3. Author bio. This section establishes your credibility and demonstrates why you are the right person to write this book. Include your professional background, relevant experience, or expertise in the book subject, previous publications, if any, your platform, for example, social media following, newsletter subscribers, public speaking engagements. Pro tip: even if you're not a household name, highlight unique aspects of your expertise or personal story that make you the ideal author. 4. Target audience. Define your book's audience clearly and specifically. Publishers want to know who will buy your book and why. Address demographics, age, gender, profession, etc., psychographics, interests, challenges, and aspirations. Why this audience needs your book. Example: the primary audience for this book includes professionals aged 25 to 40 who are seeking practical strategies to enhance their productivity and work-life balance. Secondary audiences include college students and retirees looking for time management tools.
Hi and welcome in our channel Alive Inc. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for our future videos, and thank you very much in advance.
5. Competitive analysis. Show that you've researched the market by listing books similar to yours and explaining how your book is different. Include the title, author, and publication date of each competing book. A brief summary of each book. What makes your book unique? Pro tip: avoid being overly critical of competing books. Focus on how your book fills a gap or offers a fresh perspective. 6. Marketing and promotion plan. Publishers want authors who can actively promote their books. Outline your marketing strategy, including your existing platforms, social media, email list, blog, etc., speaking engagements, workshops, or conferences you plan to attend, media connections, or potential PR opportunities, plans for leveraging partnerships or endorsements. Example: with a combined social media following of 50,000 and a monthly newsletter reaching 10,000 subscribers, I plan to launch a pre-order campaign and host live Q&A sessions. I will also collaborate with industry influencers to promote the book. 7. Chapter outline. This section provides a detailed roadmap of your book. For each chapter, include include the chapter title, a brief summary to 3 paragraphs of the chapter's content, key takeaways or benefits for the reader. Example, Chapter 1, The Science of Resilience. Explore the latest research on mental toughness and how it influences success in personal and professional life. Readers will learn the key traits of resilient individuals and how to cultivate these qualities. 8. Sample chapters. Include one-word to polish chapters to showcase your writing style and demonstrate your ability to deliver on the book's promise. These chapters should be engaging and well-written, reflect the book's tone and structure, highlight the book's unique value. Pro tip: choose chapters that provide immediate value or intrigue to captivate readers. 9. Appendices. Add any supporting materials that strengthen your proposal, such as endorsements or testimonials, relevant articles or studies, detailed statistics or charts. Tips for writing a compelling book proposal. 1. Start strong. The first few pages should grab attention. Use clear, engaging language that reflects your book's tone. 2. Focus on benefits. Always emphasize how your book will help the reader or solve a problem. 3. Be professional. Use a clean, organized format with headings, subheadings, and bullet points. 4. Edit ruthlessly. Your proposal should be free of typos and grammatical errors. Consider hiring a professional editor. 5. Customize. Tailor your proposal to each agent or publisher's preferences, crafting your competitive edge. In addition to meeting the standard requirements, you can make your proposal more competitive by emphasizing unique aspects such as trends and timing. Explain why your book is timely and relevant in the current cultural or industry landscape. Data-driven insights. Use statistics or trends to support your book's potential. Visual elements. Include diagrams, infographics, or visual concepts that enhance your proposal's clarity and appeal. Deep dive. Addressing publisher concerns. When reviewing proposals, publishers are concerned about market size. How big is the potential audience for this book? Sales potential. What is the likelihood of high sales numbers? Author commitment. Is the author prepared to invest time and effort in promotion? Address these concerns proactively in your proposal. Highlight pre-existing demand. Share concrete examples of your ability to engage an audience. Offer creative promotional ideas. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Vague audience. Be specific about who your book is for. 2. Overpromising. Avoid making unrealistic claims about your book's potential impact. 3. Weak writing samples. Submit polished chapters that showcase your skills. 4. Ignoring competition. Acknowledge competing books and explain how yours is different. 5. Poor formatting. A disorganized proposal can make you look unprofessional. Why publishers love strong book proposals? Publishers deal with countless proposals, so they are naturally drawn to those that showcase vision. Your proposal should paint a clear picture of what the book will be and why it's important. Exude confidence. Publishers are looking for authors who believe in their work and are willing to advocate for it. Offer commercial appeal. Demonstrating your book's marketability gives publishers a clear reason to invest. Conclusion: writing a book proposal can be a challenging but rewarding process. It's not just a tool for securing a book deal, it's a way to refine your vision and clarify your goals as an author. By crafting a thorough, persuasive proposal, you'll not only increase your chances of getting published, but also set the foundation for a successful writing career. Remember, your proposal is a reflection of your commitment and professionalism. Take the time to make it the best it can be, and you'll be one step closer to turning your book dream into a reality. By following this comprehensive guide and avoiding common pitfalls, you'll have a powerful document that showcases your book's potential and your dedication as an author. Whether you're pitching to a literary agent or a publisher, a well-executed proposal is your ticket to success. Don't rush it, your future as an author depends on it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you all in the next video.